Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Living. We all use eggs, we all eat eggs and throw the cells, but you can use the cells also. If you have a little means to use it, well, clean the cells after breaking the eggs with water and dry a little, and then break into small pieces and pour in a mixer grinder. Well, all that you have to do now, you have to grind it in powder, and you will get the powder of egg cells, that is consist of calcium phosphate. So you will get calcium and phosphorus from here, and this will be helpful in gardening. This is a very good organic compost, organic manure for your saplings, for your trees that you grow, maybe vegetables, fruits, whatever it is, but it's very easy and helpful. So I am repeating the process. First, you wash the cells, dry it, and then small pieces, pour in mixer grinder and grind it fine, just fine powder. Make sure that in very fine form. And whether doing this, you must use a mask, otherwise this fine dust will provoke sneezing, and you may sneeze and it may go through the lungs, and it is not so good for the lungs.